This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican curry goat. Start by trimming fat and cubing the goat, then season generously with curry powder, salt, garlic, scallions, and thyme. Brown the meat in batches for color, deglaze the pan, add stock and a whole Scotch bonnet for heat, then simmer low and slow until the goat is fork tender and the sauce coats the meat perfectly. Marinate the goat for at least 2 hours, ideally overnight, to let flavors penetrate. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, chopped scallions, minced garlic, grated ginger, and a splash of soy or Worcestershire. Massage the mix into meat, cover tightly, and chill. This step makes a big difference. Brown the marinated goat in batches over medium-high heat to develop color, then remove and sauté onion and potatoes briefly. Return goat, add 2 cups of stock or water, 1 Scotch bonnet whole for heat, a sprig of thyme, and 1 bay leaf. Simmer covered for 1.5 to 2 hours until fork tender, then uncover to reduce sauce and adjust seasoning with salt and lime juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.